a good touch every day. But if a touch makes me feel scared or strange or yucky, unprepared, I say out loud, please go away, and run to someone safe that day. Good touch makes me smile inside. Bad touch I should never hide. Tell a parent, teacher too, they will always help protect you. So listen to the way you feel. Your heart will tell you what is real. Safe and happy, loved so much. That's the gift of good touch.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.